Hi all, my name is Dipanshu. Welcome back to DevOps Solution. Today we will talk about how we can add dependency from our workspace. You can say from our project, how we can add because it will help us to resolve issue in Linux if we are deploying the project in our Jenkins. Of course, we have to upload our code in Git. For Git solution, we are providing this solution now. Simply first we will show what's the issue we face. Simply create a Maven project as web app. As I'm adding dependency from workspace, I'm giving the add dependency. Just click on finish. As soon as you click on finish, the project will import. Now, of course, it will give one error that is for JSP page. Let's quickly fix this by giving the JSP dependency because there is no dependency for JSP pages. Let's quickly go to Maven repository. Let's type Java Servlet. First link, just click on Java Servlet API, click on any of the version. Just click and it will automatically copy. Just go back in your Eclipse, just paste it and save it. And you will see that error gone. Now we will talk about what's exact issue we are facing. Just take one dependencies that make you error just because of the permission. I am taking OGDBC 14 because Oracle has put in a permission issue. If we just select it and paste here, just save it, and the error will recall that missing artifact. Now how we can fix? One solution I already given that we can install manually in our system, but it will not work if we are deploying in real world environment. To fix this, just now we can remove this. Now just create a simple folder with any name. I'm creating as lips. You can create with any name. Now now you have to download the this jar file that OJDBC in your system, and I had already downloaded it. I will provide a link in description box to download. Just copy this file and paste in your lib folder. You can see that file is present here. Now we will add dependency. Just only type dependency, give any group ID. I am giving OJDBC14 artifact ID. I am giving same as OJDBC14. Give version, any version. I'm giving as 14. We have to mention scope here in system. First we can mention scope, that is system. Now in system path we have to mention the location of this jar, that is from the workspace. We do not You do not have to mention the whole path. Just type dollar open braces paste der, close it, type libs and name of that dependency, that jar file ogbtc.jar, and looks everything is right. Just click on save, and you can see that this system path, they got the system path, and you can see this sign, this symbol that show that this jar file is now using. You can check Maven dependence also. You can see that it is now present here. Uh, this solution will work definitely in your real world projects because there are many project created jars, also third party jars we can't download from Maven repository. Of course, this will help you. You can do in any environment, in Linux, in anything. Okay, that's all for today. Let's meet on another video for DevOps solution. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Keep watching our video.